How to fix Valorant Serialization Error. So if you're facing a problem with the Valorant Serialization, then first you just need to go for run. So right click on your Windows and go for run. And under run, you need to search for percentage, temp, and then percentage, and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you need to simply delete all of the files which are right here. So simply select all by pressing Control A and then go for delete. You can skip the files which are in use. And once you've deleted all of that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to go for the files and you need to go for the program files. And here, if you have the right games folder, go for the right games folder. And then you need to go for the Valorant folder and delete the Valorant folder. Once you've deleted, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you just need to go for your power and restart your device. And once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. But even after restarting, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then make sure that your app is up to date. If your app is not up to date, then you need to update the application by simply opening the application. So if you launch the application, it will automatically update the application. So make sure to launch the application and update it. And once you've updated, you need to search for command prompt and go for run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you will have this kind of interface where you need to enter a command. And here you need to type sc space delete space vgc and then hit the enter. And again, you need to enter sc space delete space vgc and then again hit the enter. And once you've done that, now you can go back, and here you will have an arrow on the bottom right side, right? You will have the hidden icon. Simply go for that. And here, if you have the right games, you just need to right click on that and you need to go for exit and exit that. Once you've exited, your problem might be fixed. And now you need to go for settings, and under settings you need to go for under apps, go for installed apps, and you need to search for the app which is Riot Games, and you need to delete the application or uninstall the application. Once you've uninstalled, you need to restart your device. And once you've restarted, you can go again with your Valorant and your problem might be fixed. And that's how you can fix your Valorant serialization error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.